Hello teacher. Want an efficient way to conduct quizzes? Use Google Forms. It offers multiple question types, real-time response collection, and easy grading. Here are the steps to create a quiz in Google Forms. Step 1. Go to Google Forms and log in with your Google account. Step 2. Click the plus button to create a new form. Step 3. Give your form a title and description, and then click the multiple choice option under the question section. Step 4. Type your quiz question in the question field, and then add the possible answers in the choice 1, choice 2, etc. fields. Step 5. Click the required option to make sure that students must answer the question before they can submit their responses. Step 6. Repeat steps 3 to 5 to add more questions to your quiz. Step 7. When you're finished adding questions, click the Send button at the top of the page. Google Forms integrates seamlessly with other Google apps like Google Sheets, making it easy to manage and grade quizzes. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.